Welcome. In front of me I have TCL 20SZ, and today I will show you camera tips tricks in this smartphone. So let's start from photo mode, from automatic mode, and when we are here we can quickly set up filters on our photos. So take a look when you tap on the right upper corner. As I said, we got here the ready filters. Take a look, it will be a good example. There we got the green color on this object, and as you can see, take a look how it changed, and also the texture in some cases, for example on the modern. So you don't have to download external application, you can use this one and quickly put filters to your photos, just like that. But let's turn it off. And also we can enable timer. When you tap right here, you can set it up for 2, 5 or 8 seconds. For example, let's choose 2 seconds, click on the shutter, and after 2 seconds the photo will be taken. So very useful feature. And also when you're in the standard photo mode, we got quickly access to the Google Lens. So when you tap right here from the left to the shutter and click to open the camera, accept the permission that pops on the screen, we are able to find objects around us. Of course, we have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network or mobile data. Let's enable the Wi-Fi in this case and take a look after a few moments. Okay, right now I'm online, and if you want to find something, for example the earbuds that you want to buy, but you don't know the name of this object, so we can go for the search. When you got this blue dot, it means that it's detected, so we have to tap right here, and as you can see, after a few moments we got web search. We can go for the more results, and as you can see right now, we know that there we have the AirPods Pro earbuds from Apple. And also when we go back, we can translate text. So what can I find? Maybe something like that. And there we got the Polish language. So when we tap here on the shutter, we can go for the translate, tap to select. We can select those words, those phrases, just like that. And as you can see, it will be search on the Google. We can also copy the computer, we can use the translate. And as you can see, the first language was Polish, and it's the translate to English. So there is no stowa, it's słowa from Polish, and it means that words have power. Use carefully. Let's go back to the camera. What we got here also, when you tap on the left upper corner in the photo mode, we can find a few interesting options. For example, the calorie estimate calorie from food detection. When you tap on it and then go and take photo of, for example, apple or banana, we can estimate the calorie from that. We can also change the volume button function. Currently it's set up as a shutter. Take a look. When I press volume up or volume down button, it's going to take photo. But when we switch, for example for the zoom, I recommend you to use this one, because right now we can very smoothly zoom in or zoom out by using volume up or volume down button, as you can see. So it's definitely much easier than using these gestures. Let's go back for the settings. What we got here also, definitely use grid lines. You got better composition for your photos with that option. So you can more easily put object to the middle of your photo, just like that, with the help grid lines. Also, we can mark our photos and activate location on them. So take a look. We have to we have to activate the location on our smartphone to use this feature. Take a look. Okay, we have to go for the settings to the permission, and we have to grant permission to the location, as you can see. Then just go back and take a look another time. There is a location info and a watermark. So right now when you take a photo, just like that, we got here and the details, the exact location of the photo. Wait a minute, it's not here. Maybe it's some kind of the bug. Let's try to take the photo again. Okay, I think we have to restart our camera. And right now let's try to use it. The location, yeah, save location information. So let's take a look right now. Oh, as you can see right now, there we got the estimated location. So if you activate this option, you have to restart your camera. So we are in Krakow in Poland, and you can spot our location right here. And as I said before, we got here also the watermark that the photo was taken on the TCL 20 SE. On the smartphone, we can also find standard modes like video, portrait, AI color, or pro mode. But everybody knows that mode, so I'm not going to talk about that. But we got here also super macro photo mode. So when you switch, we have to keep object we can keep our object very close to the lens, and we can take macro photo. For example, let's go with this one, or maybe we can use our plant. And the photo from the macro lens looks like that. I think it's not the best, but okay, you can use it. And also we got here the slow motion. So take a look. As you can see, slow motion is working in the smartphone. And basically that's all. That's everything that you can, and that's all interesting things that you can find in the smartphone. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.